Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
We will present about consumer and industrial chemistry, chapter 5.1.
Okay.
Okay, our group member is me, which is Amir Shakir, Jana Zafira, Nurul Huda, and one Amir Anish. Okay, I will pass to the first presenter, which is Nurul Huda.
Right. Good.
For 5.1, oils and fats. First of all, the meaning of oils and fats. Oils and fats are esters produced through the reaction between fatty acid and glycerol.
Okay. Tengok balik dulu. Yang lain. Oil and fats are esters produced through the reaction between fatty acid and glycerol. Are esters. Are esters. Apa yang awak faham tentang ester kat sini? Presenter.
Oil and fats adalah esters.
Yelah. Apa itu ester? Kenapa saya tak nampak muka Nurul Huda ni? Tak buka kamera kah? Buka kamera dah, Nurul Huda. Siapa yang buat yang present sekarang ni? Siapa yang share slide ni?
Saya.
Awak. Jadi awak tak nampak lah ni muka awak. Ya kah? Guna iPad.
Yes,
Kau guna telefon? Guna iPad. Okay. Teruskan. Apa dia ester ni? Nurul Huda yang awak ingat pasal ester?
The reaction between carbonic acid and alcohol produce ester.
Okay. So sekarang ni dalam kita oil dengan fat ni, yang mana satu carboxylic acid, yang satu alkohol?
Fatty acid adalah carbonic acid dan glycerol adalah alkohol.
Apa debarnya? Carboxylic debar lah tu. Carboxylic acid kan sebut carbolic. Sebut mula.
Carbonic acid.
Carboxylic
acid.
So maksudnya sekarang ni untuk buat oil and fats, okay, dia punya carboxylic acidnya ialah fatty acid dan dia punya alkoholnya ialah glycerol. Okay, carboxylic acid ni, okay, yang kita belajar dalam bab 2 lah. Baru rekod Okay. So seperti methanolic acid, ethanolic acid, okay. Apa nama lagi? Butanolic acid, okay. So tapi bila sebut fatty acid ni disebabkan dia ni panjang sangat. Dia punya C tu, okay. So kita panggil dia sebagai fatty acid. Tapi jangan risaulah, dia adalah set carboxylic acid. Dan biasanya fatty acid ini dia dalam bentuk pepejal. Okay, dalam bentuk pepejal biasanya dah. Okay, teruskan meaning oil and fat lagi. Dah.
The differences between oils and fat.
Okay.
Oils and fats are part of the dietary requirement for women that are responsible for supplying energy, providing body temperature, insulation, and helping with the absorption of important vitamins.
Okay.
At room temperature, fat are normally exist in a solid form. Fat is in liquid form are known as salts. Lastly, fats are usually found in meat and butter. Various types of oils can be obtained for plants, such as palm oil, soybean oil, and coconut oil.
Okay. Itu adalah difference between oil and fat. Okay, next. Yang lain tolong faham balik Saya tanya lepas ni.
The characteristic of oils and fat. It's really on the type of fatty acid. involved in the esterification reaction with glycerol. The example of fatty acid are palmitic acid, stearic acid, and linoleic acid.
Okay.
The example of an esterification reaction between fatty acid with glycerol to form fat. The reaction between one glycerol molecule and three fatty acid molecules form one fat molecule. R1, R2, and R3 represent the part of hydrocarbon chain in fatty acid and fats. R1, R2, and R2 can either be identical or different.
Okay.
The differences between oils and fat. The aspect for source. Source for oils is plant, while source for fat is animal. Next, the physical state at room temperature. The physical state at room temperature for oils is liquid, while for fat is solid. That is melting point. The melting point for oils is low, while melting point for fats is high. The content of fatty acid for oil is high percentage of unsaturated fatty acid. The content of fatty acid for fat is high percentage of saturated fatty acid. The example of oil is palm oil, while the example of fat is butter.
Okay.
Okay, now I will present about saturated fat. Saturated fat contain saturated fatty acid and unsaturated fat contain fatty acid. Example of saturated fatty acid are
Kejap. Cuba baca semula yang first point tu. Baca semula yang first point.
saturated fat contain saturated fatty acid and unsaturated fat contain unsaturated fatty acid.
Mana unsaturated fatty acid kat situ? Kotak anti hilang tu. Perasan ke tak? Hilang
Okay.
tak ada.
Rasa.
Ini tambah ya. Nah.
Okay, sir.
Okey, sekarang ni awak kena perasan, awak kena faham bahawa dia ulang balik saturated dengan unsaturated, which is nak kata unsaturated because it is contain single bond. Nah, kalau unsaturated contain double bond. Nah, balik pada alkene dulu. Balik masa alkene dulu. Okey, terus. Nanti edit itu.
Okay, sir. Examples of saturated fatty acid are palmitic acid, uric acid, and stearic acid. While example of unsaturated acid are oleic acid, linoleic acid, and linolenic acid.
Linolenic.
Linolenic acid.
Okey, so sekarang ni sepatutnya awak kena cari di mana sumber linoleic acid, linolenic acid tu daripada gapo. Maksud saya, contohlah kan, palmitic acid tu daripada kelapa sawit, lauric daripada kelapa. Contoh dah. Awak kena tahulah, awak kena cari sikit. Okay, next.
Unsaturated fatty acid have at least one double bond in the carbon chain. Mean in the carbon chain have at least one double bond.
Okay.
Fatty acid only have a single covalent bond in the carbon chain. Means there are no double bond.
Okay.
The presence of double bond cause unsaturated fats to have low melting point and exist as liquid.
Okay. Okay, bagus.
Okay. Okay, now this is the example of saturated fatty acid and unsaturated fatty acid.
Apa
As
beza
we
dia?
can see, saturated fatty acid have only single bond and unsaturated fatty acid have double bond.
Okay, sekarang ni yang pentingnya presenter tu dia tahu dah head dah presenter sebab dia buat macam ni. Orang lain tak dengar tu, tolong dengar molek dan tak faham tolong tanya. Dah. Okay, terus.
Ambil dia ni.
Conversion of unsaturated fat to saturated fat. First, oil consists of a high percentage of unsaturated fat. Saturated fat are converted into saturated through hydrogenation reaction. During hydrogenation reaction, hydrogen gas H2 is passed into hot oil with presence of nickel as the catalyst. The double bond in the carbon chain is off, and the hydrogen atom H are added to the carbon chain.
Wan ambil Danish. Bila masa awak
Ya.
jumpa perkataan hydrogenation ni? Bila first time awak dengar, awak jumpa, awak guna perkataan hydrogenation?
Chapter 2.
Cerita sikit je tu apa dia?
Alkanes.
Ceritalah alkane ya. No, letih lah rambut saya nak tanya.
Properties of alkane.
Ceritalah sikit.
Alkane go to hydrogenation reaction to produce
Produce what? Produce what? Alkane undergoes hydrogenation reaction to produce what?
tak ingat dia.
Yang lain. To produce what? Alkene undergoes hydrogenation to produce what?
Produce
Alkane.
To produce alkane. Macam mana kita presenter, kita tahu tak ingat gapo-gapo. Buat, orang lain buat kau, awak buat ni. Apa tu slide show ni? Slide presentation ni.
Buat sendiri.
Ha?
Saya buat je.
Saya buat?
Ha,
Awak buat kau, orang lain buat?
saya buat.
Awak buat? Kalau awak buat, kena study lah apa awak buat tu. Bukan main baca je. Okey, saya nak beritahu kat sini. Ini adalah repeat balik yang bab 2. Alkene. Alkene ada double bond. Alkene undergoes additional reaction which is addition of hydrogen ataupun hydrogenation. Okay, to produce alkane. Alkane tu single bond. So sama ni kat sini. Unsaturated ada double bond. Bila unsaturated buat hydrogenation, dia dapatlah saturated. Faham tak ni? Okey, maksudnya unsaturated yang lemak tadi merupakan dalam bentuk cecair. Bila buat proses hydrogenation, dia akan jadi pepejal. Dah jadi saturated. Contohnya, okey, proses ini ialah nak buat margarine. Dah. Margarine yang awak makan itu sebenarnya adalah daripada minyak tumbuh-tumbuhan. Mungkin daripada minyak jagung, mungkin daripada minyak canola, minyak sawit, okey. Hak duk beli apa tu raya apa ni, Chap Puteri ke, Chap Daisy ke, Chap gapo-gapo ke. Okey. So sebenarnya datang daripada Minyak. Okey, teruskan. Teruskan.
This is the example of hydrogenation reaction.
Ah.
Saturated fat to saturated fat.
Okey, sekejap dah. Sepatutnya apa tu gambar dah yang macam ni. Jangan awak sengit lah awak betul. Bila sebab kita nak tengok dia punya equation kan awak. Bila awak sengit gini, duk mana dah berbual kena cari. Bila betul tu bila kita akan nampak directly. Bukan saya nak komen awak kerja buat. Saya sebut tu adalah dari segi profesional kita belajar. Bukan saya nak comel presentation kita. Faham tak maksud saya dah? Okay, betul dah awak betul. Kita barulah kita dapat tengok dengan jelas. Okey, apa dia? Terusnya.
Then why margarine exists in a solid form at room temperature even though it's produced from oil? It is because the addition of hydrogen atom to the carbon chain causes the molecular mass to increase in the melting point and boiling point.
Okay. Ni why margarine exists in solid lah. Okay. Next lagi.
Okay.
So now we look about the uses of oils and fats in life. First of all, the production of biofuel. Oils and fats can use or produce biofuel such as biodiesel be used by vehicles with diesel engines. Next is production of nutritional source. Oils and fats supply energy and help the body to absorb important vitamins such as vitamins A, D, E, and K. Next is soap and personal care. Oil and fats are the main ingredients of personal care items like skin moisturizers also utilize oil in their production. The last one is animal feeds. Oils and fats are also used to manufacture feed for cattle to fulfill their nutritional needs.
Okay.
Although oils and fats are rich with benefits, excessive intake in our diet can contribute to heart-related problems and not to mention body weight issues or obesity.
Okay.
The risk of arteriosclerosis or hardening of the arteries is higher if excessive fat intakes are sourced from animals or saturated.
Okay. Itu saja. Habis dah?